Kublai pi baro pi apa yang kasi channel ni pedang subhai pi cakap thuk kubor ke bashi sench tiyo kimat bakong san menta katiyo bilong. Yathe market yang ke Congress ber NPP yaki ke HYC bakiu palat port ke umpenyang petrol bat diesel dawa pendunai ki khajana bampak si ke pisau ke ba arklur tingkah syaka hima melim selam ban shimti ya ke themator yam hashen way ya ke jingja accident Shillong bypass Beliau ba dasakiat bah yau Maunong Rim juga Maunong Higher Secondary School. Beliau ke DC ke District Level School Health and Wellness Ambassador Program Hariboy. But wait ki kubor. Ini pai metashi kubor banyak. Ke Congress ber ke NPP ke lai ther marker liang halor ke issue bom sab hapo ke jala Meghalaya ber kumjuru halor ke jingki dor ke umpenyang petrol bat ke diesel. Haga arpu terik risau arja arpu president ke MPCC uba Vincent H Palau lakno bagi khidrop test jingpang covid bagi weki khidrop haki surok ke jala kila longkum ki ETM jaga seng NPP bat UDP namar bigila shushim pisa ban penkamai yakini ki artli ki seng sain perthai ki badan ha ke sarkar.
In terms of corruption, people said these people used to say that Congress was corrupt, but for the last 3.5, almost 4 years, not a single scandal was there when the Congress was in power. But today you see, be in the roadside, be in the office, be in the, all those COVID camp used to check the people now become ATM of the UDP and NPP. If you go from here to from Shillong to Jawai, you see lots of small gate, police check gate, forest check gate, all those are ATMs for them to spend during the election. So these are the small example where you see that the difference between the Congress time and this time. And in terms of farmers, how the farmers are facing during the COVID time. And now we are taking those issues. Bachang Plang is taking very strongly those issues in the farmers. So we have divided our works under different leaders. So there's a lots of difference between the Congress rule time and the present government.
Halor gini ke jingkno hedu ke Congress Meghalaya unong elam ke NPP uba Preston Tensong ulong ke Congress kamdani ban ong kumha kani ke por balong ke election siteng samoy hinre ke shukno klem nong rim ulong balada ke dan ke jingpen shisha halor gini ke jingkno balai ke mlej ban ujor shiki pulit namar ba ki tharat pulit ki dan man la ki jaka ha ke jala.
The president of MPCC, when he talked, I'm sure he talked with documentary proof. If he do have a documentary proof, I think the nearest police station is always there. Let him file FIR. Because I don't want debate. Why should we debate? But if the allegation is true, I think Congress party must have quite a number of legal experts within the party. So legal course of action should be taken immediately. And if not, it's only a mere allegation.
Hakabi de baga jingti dor ka umpenyang uba pala ulong baga de kasin ka bedingkong ka jala baga petrol kan kiu palat ka shispa tingka karado bagi engineer gi haban bujli ka machine.
You have seen is the first time in the history where we have crossed more than 100 rupees. I'm told I was in touch with the officer, even the machines has to be replaced because the people in India or even the engineers who designed the machine, they'll never expect that the petrol will be crossed more than 100. So that day I was in touch with the officers, they have to change a lot of machines also because as of now the machines are only up to 2 digits, 80, 90. Now it has crossed 3 digits. So even the machines has to change also. And this will have a very bad impact, especially people in travel areas because our only main communications is road and through car, through vehicles, through bus, through trucks. So once the diesel and the petrol is increased, definitely it will impact the common people. The inflation will be high, the economy in the rural area will be bad, and definitely it will impact.
Nakaliang upa Preston par ulong bakani ke jingki dor kamdai ke bajiatang ha ke jala Meghalaya netang ha ke India hindai galaja ha ke perthai barok kawai kumta uang bak jingkno ka seng Congress ka longkum ke jingkran khlung.
They blame squarely to the government for the hike of their fuel cost in the state and not only the state, throughout the nation, and not only throughout the nation, universally. This market is universal market. We need to understand that we don't have our own oil field. We do have, but small quantity. So ultimately, we need international market. When we need international market, means we have to import. And when we import, not only India alone or not only Meghalaya alone who has to do that, almost every country they need to do. And I think you know well, we knew well, per barrel of petrol of diesel is how much. This is not the price that hike happened only in India. As I said to you, this is throughout the world. It happened. And not only that, now government of India has already warned international market may collapse. So now I think we need to understand one thing, that every country, leaders of different countries now, they are working out how to come out of this situation that we have, because ultimately it may lead, as I said to you, to the economic crisis. So therefore, if you talk about the diesel and then about the petrol, yes, we knew. I think last time we have already reduced our taxes up to almost 6 rupees per liter, and this one it still continue. 6 rupees per liter means this is not a joke as far as Meghalaya state is concerned. We have tried our best, we have done our best, but again, as I said to you, because this hike happens universally, so it is out of our control. But we are trying our best to make sure, and hopefully maybe next month we will again have a cabinet meeting. We'll have to sit down, we have to discuss, and then we have, in fact, our chief minister has already spoken even to Union finance minister about the crisis. Even the finance ministry now, they are working out how to come out with this problem that we have as a nation. So therefore, I would request people of the state not to get confused, because now, just because by-election is underway, so Congress, they take advantage by blaming MDA government as if we are the one who increased the cost of the petrol and the diesel.
Uba Bajab Pingroop MDC ka Congress na Rambrai ula therting ka Sarkar Jala kabla sangap menti hanor ka Jingkyudor ka Ongkyang Kali. Habaikran baki katu ka ni kinong tho kubor ka arpotri urisao arja arpoi uba Bajab ulong baka Sarkar ka map daki klori ka khachana na ki petrol katba da Kyudor ka petrol pat ki mongi ai ula bendru ka Sarkar ka bajumlian man map khachana na ki company he spa katba onda omla siu by light chnong kendong la sha out transformer katba ki karkhana ki industrial area pat la map ka khajana de ki spa klor tingka
kapasausi pat balai ki map ya ka tax yang ki try petrol pump de ki spa klor kata pelayu i baki la map ki tax yang ki petrol pump de ki spa klor kata kin balai kali akum ta sarkar ka ai ka benefit ka baki yo ka ai ka kata ka bashalendan mantangi pet ka light nada mangi senong kendong umla siu belait katu kat nesngi ari lasawan out transformer jang kata kasinang bamlaan siu ke belait hendrai ki factory yang thiepat apa industrial area dekat nok krur ki map ya kitu ki beladon bisa ke ai shalendat ke ba upat ba dei bentip ban syakin ba ke ai kadon sebelendat ba ki map lagi spakulur ki company repair ki factory repair hendrai ya ki pat ba mah babon balang ki ba mah dog usop pat light kemut tang shumla ban si belait ki lasa out kan ke belait
ke Jingkyudor ka by petrol bat phanyang kalakta shibon yu pai ba khamtam yu beduk besok halor kani ba hek nangilam ke BJP habaikran klab thai khubor ka khatkandai tere mataw banai ulong bong sara ekni ka ma rakhmat ka sarkar pedeng ha ga jelang ka banlong hanong ba Delhi ha ga nyu tere gunai wing arja arpoi
Rising in the prices, it hit badly to the poor people. it hit the farmers, it hit everybody. We should also have to rethink about the exorbitant, price rise of the fuels in the state of, in the entire country.
So will you take this up with the government? So
In the
at least-
nutshell, of course, I'm going to take up in the next national executive meeting to be held in Delhi on the 7th of November. I'm going to take up this also in the NDA government. We cannot make people suffering just because we are in the ruling.
Kay Nyotrep Youth Council haka apu atring daw banay kala puloy ke jeki anong basilong bat kiwe de ke jaka jong ke jela ban persha halor ke jingki dor palatpur jong ke opnyang petrol bat diesel
Kinong yalam jo kaseng kila pelong ye kajing hi akan dailan ka balawin simata langru negwi de kinong yalam negwi pat ki district ai bahkan ke jing ki thot jong ka HYC kila ra de ki belun rongyong pakam juru ke de ki jing tho man pen pau ke jing persya ka bajur ya kan ke jing kudor ka umpnya petrol ba ka diesel kabla kata asibun yo duk usuk baru pat ba nong lek nongwan Kinong ilam juga seng kila ong baka di kajing kudor palat jong ka opnang petrol baka diesel kadai namar kajing pen kiu ka khajana jong ka sarkar ka value added tax bat kui de ki khajana ki bala o ada ka sarkar pedeng nakalang uskat ri jong ka HYC ubak roi kupar sendram ula ong baka sarkar kadai menyakran bat ka sarkar pedeng nak pentaman penduna iki khajana ki bedai bakini ki opnang ba penya iki kali
Pindah Kenya ke dor yang umpiang diesel berpetrol tang kata skapoy dun rebusan persen ya ka diesel kapoy sanpo 100%. Kaumot ba kata ska khamrem ban ya ka dor tra jang umpiang ya ka bangim so ya ham ban akasiti ya ka bangi ngila pa akmat yung chief minister ngila dap ong bada ko basyabu de man tawi kila kilinti ladalong ban punduna ya ka tax haka jala ka jongi ya ka dei banle balada umla banle ya kata ka state government ka dei ban sim ka jigi kli ban ya kren ya ka sarkar pedeng ba ka dei ban punduna ya ka central excise tax
haka juga por ula ongru pada dagan kajing o khajana ka petrol baka diesel ka dei ka mentama penerkam ya kajang kam jong ka sarkar handai balipat ka sarkar ka thungbun ki chairman ki deputy chairman ki co-chairman jong ki corporation bagi board ki balong tang ki jong pulut kai dan ki jong pesarkar ja ka pisah jong upat ba
yang jong sarkar ki penpau na kapor sa kapor ba kadawi jong kajing penkiudor lani kajing bu ya kata tax kung mangitip apo state kala ban sim ya kata value added tax lani ka VAT na ka silitar ka petrol lani ka diesel nang banyo ban penen kam hakiwe pat ki benta habay day bat ka roy ka par ha ka jala ka jongi Rengi ngi ong balada kan ni ka benta kajing kiudor ya ka umpniang ka kata ya uduk kurang li balai pihak ban pet bet tik tang na ka umpniang banyo ya ta ka source of revenue ka sarkar jala kala de ban phai mat shawai syakiwe pat gi benta ban penduna kamta me e kajing penlut put nakalang jong gaseng yim so ya ham baka pisa pat ba mata sengir ngi kwa ban keren baka sarkar jala hapo kajing yalam jong ka MDA ki thung shibun ki chairman shibun ki co-chairman ki vice chairman ki member jong ki committee jong ki board jong ki commission ba fair haka baka sarkar jala lang baka pisa jong pat ba lang baka umsap jong pat ba bang ladang ithit ya kan wono ka tiar ngi ban siw ya ka tax mataya ko umpnyang ngi ban siw ya ka tax telamba kani ka pisa ka jongi Philippine sarwakai pat ban siw ya kitu gi useless committee useless boards na ni ki commission tengingem so ya ba pinong ba pimdon pisa hakawi kaliang pihak ban sim tax lamba ka umpnyang dah hakawi pat kaliang pipelut dagi polak tengka sibnai ban siw ya kata ka perks na ni facilities ki Sharman ki ko Sharman bagi ige ba fair
nakaliang juga seng kala kentu yo ka sarkar baka di bajakan baka sarkar pedeng nak mentaban penduna ya ka khajana ka bedei bat kini kompanyang amal kini ka kata shibo ni ka pat ba badu basuk iba kamai bat em jakapo man la kasengi tak ba penyakam dan de basong dagi kali
kani ka jingkiu dor jong ka umpnyang kam kata tangi kitu kiba don kali tani kita gi beruspa de ka jingkta ka deiru ya uduk urang li ya unong rep ujongi unong belas ngi ubahap ban pendon kami ki kali kamai baru ngitip nadu bawan kani ka lockdown jong snem arjar arpo nilayu iya kajing sosat ya kajing jenjar jong kinong rep ki jongi ki balada ki wanra ki tiar ki jong ki bende ang dia po slong ki hak bende ka dor si tengka bat tengka si kilo jor ngilak ban perkat balada ka bai kali kala poil pa di ki arspa balai spa tingka tang ban wan hang dia slong dalangi hap sak ban siu lane bende yo jor ka dor si tengka bat tengka lane ditat hadu kat no kan long kajing lenyar la ni kajing shim janjar ju kinong rem tikani ka ni nakaliang jong kaseng isngo baka jing kiudor jong umpniang kam kata tangi kitu ki badon ba em mereka kata ru ya uduk urang li nama dei maki ki bahab ban em lang ba kajing pendon kami ki kali kamai tilada kador jong umpniang kanang ya kiu na kasngi kan poi kapor ba kinong nya kali ki haban ut ban penkiu ka bai kali tikiban so asat bagi ban janjar kindai kinong rap ki jongi
Kani kajing hi jangka sang Aishwasi kalalong tu apa Riboy district bar kui dia ki district jangka jela hakaba ki khot jangka sang kilara lamayong bakam juru kila bu kajing tho ki bapel penram jor ya kajing le kajing sarkar nama kajing kiudor jangka opnang petrol kam juru ki widya ki tiar ki bapmi na kampanyang nama kan kata plat ya ki bai ba
basic price jong ka umpniang la bangi ekran kan poi tang ko basau punyo hadu sang pau tungka tang jong ka petrol ba ekran ni kata henry hadu menta kadang dei kesin ka beningkong haka history jong dari India ka petrol kan bak palat spa tekan ngadi ka basusi kan ngadi ka basusi namar ba laisha la benong ka state government haka juk kopor ka central government kila bu yo pai ba apeng ka jing linyar ko makha dei na kada kadau kum kaseng kumang ongay pi kaseng kababa kabakit ya kalengkor jang kinong sisno kibuk kisuk kiba kumangi sungtu menta kiba bun kiba bala mestep mesni bam damiet bun naki nong sisno jungi kamdam pori boy ini pun jadi badum tenrei kajing kiu jong ka petrol ke diesel LPG kala bu ya pai ba apre gajing linyar ka bakrau namar ba we bal akidor ki umpniang ki marma mardi baro ki bangi kumnam halahi ngalasem man kasih kila kiu ikan dengan gajing shisha pada kali yang seng kadawa ya ka sokar jela bahkan bendu nano nakai ke bakavat kadon hakan ka por ba menta 100% deban penhiarno ki charges habide ka petrol diesel berkunjur ke LPG
Kedorbar juga Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kabla Dewan Shah ka arpo trek risau arja arpoi kalhaban pinsange no shwa namar ka election chitang samoy hamau ringkeneng bat mau plang Baru arut ki MDC ne kini ki constituency ka tau ba penya sings e meruba lamprang bela ki de ki kertong na kaseng NPP Hakabas dang jaka dorbar uba Alvin Sau kami deputy chairman ubala penya jaka dorbar Namar bu chairman uba penya sings e muklemwan ula terwa hapo ka ying dorbar bun pinsange no shwa ka ni ka dorbar bar ban numshim ni no ki kam namar bon ki khot kim don Yagri ka jing terwa deputy chairman la Kershan Ru do chief executive member uba Titos Khan ubala sngo day bun pinsange no shwa ka dorbar namar badan ki khot ka ying ki bayakun ha ka ni ka election Hadin ke kren nakaliang ka ying dorbar klarano ay ka shong dorbar shaka pratare unai wing ahaja arpoi Hadian kita ki kubor nanya sangat shipor nginson phaibiang shipi ringkat bakini kwei pat ki kubor bangpak si ka pisa ka ba arklur tingka shaka hi mamelim selam ban shimti ya ka themator ya pasien wei ya ka jingja accident Shillong bypass Pleu ba da sakhiat bha yo mauno rim jaga maurong higher secondary school Play ka DC ya ka district level school health and wellness ambassador program Hari Boy But wait, ki kubor.
Nah, kau main tak sih? Kam biang sih. Beliau, pisau dia bah. Kadang kolong bah ngampat sim ketika ya dah COVID-19 tu. Kadang kita beriu ki semua atatian tu banci ka taksi jonga. Dia boleh pa family sim kita injek kita. Kata kan kuat tambah masuk keluar jemput. Banlek atau online ter bas kowe kolong bangamdan teh phone ke babiang bandan internet. Hentip saya. Bagi sorka kalau sedang menaitika, kalau dan kaman bukupa, bisulat bed, pedang tuang tu penyoy ka. Siapa? Ha, bisulat bed akan nukuno kecaka ain jack, akan nukuno sini bagi ai, lengkap bagi ID jong pi, bagi penyoy ketika dana kelam COVID-19. Himtan kamban ne lupa akan nukuno registration, inspen le hiya tu kecaka ketika. Kata ti kubur baik kan yang ai to kata saya kenduk mau apa beli kerja ya nak kerja balik simno ketika ya dah mentah kesini mapipat what I tahu syu Sime ketika yada klem depan sab issue ekapor.
National Health Mission, Government of Meghalaya.
Dangshan kaseng HNLC kala Birmingham mi kinangalam ke NPP berkumjur ru kala maha mi ki pajba pakim dei ban vote lane ban jit ya ke NPP ha ke election shiteng samoy ka banwan halor kaneu ba el hek nangalam ka BJP ulatrwa bomlong ksiang preng ka sarkar jala bar kaseng HNLC barun persang banwan yalam mi kaseng shakami jekran suk bar ka sarkar.
I'm telling you, they should not threatening anybody. Okay. That's why I want to bring them also to the peace talk. Let come to the mainstream. If you want, we will discuss when we'll come to the mainstream. What is your problem? What is your objective? To talk for your aim and objective for the people. We will work together for the betterment of Meghalaya and the betterment of the citizens of Meghalaya.
Ulong ru bakadaw ba baki khana samla ki pinisno eladesh ki kam kai khlaw kade ke jingbam yo kam yo jam. Hagiju kapor kentui ki samla jong kajala bakimde ban aptai ka kam sarkar hinde ban persang nalade ban trei ki kam la jong khnang bakan long ke jimunto yaki bar ikiwe par ki samla jong kari.
See, employment, of course, to get government employees, it has been completely saturated. I'm telling the youth, there's so many employment. Still, we have to be innovative. You have to be creative to create employment. Like, for example, I'm giving you, I myself have created so many branches under the Mebai group only to create employment. We had started MSSO, we have started the wellness center, we have started the Mebai tourism exploration. We have started so many things like that, one after another one, to create employment. There's so many opportunity for self-employment in the state of Meghalaya, but we need to be professional. We have to be very, very professional to do any business if you want really to progress and prosperous.
Uba Preston Tensong Ministry Rangba Punjab ka sarkar jala ubalong ru chairman joka high level committee ka bapej halor ka jingpin kandria ki harajan na ka themator ulong ba wala da ka sarkar jala kala bo for artiyo ban shimti ka tega jaka hindre option na la ban le kumta namar ba ka sarkar jala ka hapshwa ban siu arklor tingka ka himamalim hashwa ba kan shimti ya ka tega jaka ulong batang shidap siu ya ka tega pisa ka sarkar ka sa shimti no e ka jaka barkan pin kandria no e gibriu na ka tega jaka ula kinta ru e ka kam ki harijan bagate ke jaka kade ke jongki nambar bak jete kular house nam shajak das pa proposal kalong hapreng us em ke himamal lim bar ke shillong municipal board omdei bar ke harijan panchayat committee.
From the high level committee, we have already submitted the report, and then one cabinet meeting we already had. We discussed about this issue, how to go about it, and according to the recommendation made by the high level committee, and now government is taking steps, and I think our Chief Minister has already briefed you in the last cabinet meeting, because the first step right now is government has to immediately take possession of that plot of that land, which was already signed between the CM of Lim and the government of Meghalaya.
So by when this possession of the land will be taken?
Because see, some premium has to be paid, and in fact, just few days back, sanction has been accorded by finance department about 2 crore something, where we need to, we need to pay to the scheme of Mlim one-time premium. That one-time premium as a token, where we need to pay them, and very soon this amount will be transferred to the scheme of Mlim. And once that is done, physical taking over possession of that plot will take place.
Way Bri Ula Klan no Hashem, but way part Ula Minsaujer, Harian Bakakali, Bakishong, Kalalet Bantara, Markamat, Ikawikatrong. Kaniga Jingja, Kalaja, Haka step to Arpo Regmentau Benai, Haka Por Prab GAA, Haka Surok Shalong bypass, Hajan Gashnong Umterna. Karkum Gajing Tibla Yolum Long Bakawika Kali, Kabadanu number AS, Katway, G, Nyo Pra Iwe Kandai, Kabadangwan Asilchar. Hamar Bakapoy Tega Jaka, Kalalet Bantanra, Markmadi, Awakatrok, Kabadanu number NL, Not Iwe, EE, Kandai Iwe, Lai Nyo, Tarhadu, Baway Brio Balatip Kerteng, Kumu Azaz, Ehsan Rahmani, Na Karmaganj, Assam, Ula Klat Hashen, but Way Bashong Lang Hakateka Kali Red, Ula Mensaujur. Na Kaliangi Pulit Kidang Pelong Gajing Toket, Badiaka Mediap, Badi Ubala Mensau, La Pinkit No, Civil Hospital Nongpo. Kawikatrok kabakit nga bian kalak-kalak Hongpong no habreng kasurok ba National Highway 6 hajan kashnong nongpo balong bakani kajing kala jong katikatrok kadena mar kajing nya step palat unong niya layo jing tebru batang mari kala katikatrok kabakit urunga bian u driver ber unong board kila phetkrat no ana katika jaka bar kila weng no ru ya ka number plate jo katikatrok tang ban light ban sha kem na kaliang ki pulit kanongpo kila lit bantan no e katikatrok bar kajing toket kadang ya chkman Kipaiba nong shong shnong khapur jong kashnong pilang Qatar Riboy district haka arpo artrek matau banai kilai lum paiba penpen pau kajing persha bar kajing bam hun jong ki ya kajing chulip kabadang shidapshan jong ki artali ki regional committee on boundary settlement jong ke jila Meghalaya bat Assam ki bla pulong ki kajing chulip hashua bandra yu pur usam batikana hapreng kini ki arjala
policy Asaban Chigatong
La ban kedo badangshan kinong mikmat jokini ki ar committee na Meghalaya bat Assam balalam kmat do menteri rang ba bandrap ka sarkar jilla ba prastun tensong bar Piyush Hazarika menteri ka sarkar Assam lambar ki kila lejban jurub ki pratali ki shnong ki bran khapot ki bahab ka pilangkata khana para cluster hashwan pintikana yu por usam hapreng kini ki arjala banpin pau ki jingbam hun kinong shong shnong jigi shnong khapot ka than pilangkata kintup nadu ki pai garo khasi karbi badrabha kilami renti bandawa ba ka sarkar jala Meghalaya ka deban shimkhia ma dor banpin bet yu por usam bar kumjuru ban persha lada kini ki shnong kin sha pan hab no shaka Assam
On behalf of all the local residents who are residing in the border area, so I like to urge Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Sir Khonra Sangma, to once again please come and visit the site where the border areas, the actually border areas. So I like to request the government of Meghalaya plus Khonra Sangma once again. This is not the first time we had a rally. This is the third time the rally has been going on. So urge Khonra Sangma to come, please come and inspect the place where the border issue is. Because we local residents are facing very difficulty each and every time. Every Assam counterpart, they used to come and they used to threaten all the market area. They're threatening the ladies. They're threatening the local residents of the areas, the border residents. So I would like to I would like to give and request. I would like to request Khonra Sangma to come, please, and check the border as soon as possible.
Yagani ke jelang pai balawan ban ajeng kershan ru de kinangalam Garo Students Union Riboy Regional Unit Barkoal Riboy District Garo Women Association. Lingba kini ke jelang kinami khamat pai ba kila dawaru bahashwa ban rayu por usam ubatikana umentri rang ba ke jelau konr ke sangma uday ban wan jureb ba sakhi hi derade hashwa ban shimi karai ka bakhado Kila berthenru balada kishnong ki bahab akhapu jaka Meghalaya kinsha kintup jaka Assam kimban seven pelong da kichinga ki bating e.
Anjini Chief Minister Mukul Sangban Revival Sarve Khana Manude Maina Konda Samar Ibana Manja. Wah Saibol Kanibo. Wala Meghalaya Jama. Wah Saibol Kanibo wah Meghalaya sa. Tiba Assam lang na main ke khadung emang Indonesia ni memang ya de Meghalaya ong isa Assam isa chalenga. Ya nabat chale rakna langene. Hasarang ni magoba phagpa ni dalgpa. Songlo ko dalengpa ko ba monas kinga. Ya belsi sarong jane. Endit ta belsi kholachi shotpri wang pheng jok. Anchini MLA bau MDC bau. Tak pre so jeng ugai ino changsaban ibeban ikuja. Badipa area Meghalaya ni Badipa area Assam ni. Mijau high level meeting ongjok Anthony Khonda Sangma bang Himanta Biswa Sarma. Bisong maiko meeting jok give and take policy ma. Omong ja Anthony magapara. Give and take policy sa kalenga. Ya ko de Anthony na ken jegala nangine. Ya de border issue sa border area ko give and take policy ongnaman jawa. Inane abak theke na sombak theke nange.
বহুতে ভুল বুজি আছিলে মই শুনা পাই আছিলো ঘৰত গৈ মই ক'ব পৰা নাই অকল মানুহবিলাকে ভাবি আছিল বোলে খালি মেঘালয় বুলি ক'লে খালি গাৰো আৰু খাচী নহয় আমাৰ বৰ্ডাৰত কাৰ্বি আছে বড়ো আছে অসমীয়া আছে নানানটা জাতি আছে সেইবিলাক সকলো মোৰ ভাই ভণ্টি আৰু সকলোৱে মোৰ মেঘালয়ৰ মানুহ বুলি আমি ইহঁতক মৰম কৰো আৰু ইয়াতে ভুল ধাৰণা কৰিব নালাগে আজি মই এইটো কাৰণে অকণমান আপোনালোকক বুজাই দিব বিচাৰিছো
ani meeting dengan matasi oilang kini nong senong umni tangki jai jaro ni kasih ni kidon ki beper ki jai umat badon ki Nepali Karbi adin ki Assamese wan solang ya rap yang punya solang hani ki
Ikong Trina Suchen na Kishnong Lama kabadana East Jaya Hills District sa Shisen Pat ila say madan ni Jingbam Sab Lingba scheme MNREGS kabla pintre yapok Kishnong haba ikran beginong tho khobor Shillong Press Club haka arpoi treguri saw arja arpoi Ikong Suchen ilong balingba ka RTI kabaila yo ka office jong ka BDO cleariat ilala bakidan bon kijing penan kam baklai ka scheme bella shis pasingi hapok Kishnong Henry haba ila persyang bani kran ye ka kam bakinong yalam Kishnong ila sha ta Kishnong pinban badan ro ki por Secretary ka VEC one man pinbam tingkaya i. Amtang kajing penan kam baklai ka pisa halor kani scheme Hindreg ladan bonru ki kindrum kindram ha kajing pentrekam. Badia kani la ujoru wachadu DC jong East Jaya Hills District nadu kini ki banai bladam.
Nakwa bantip ya ka tanrai ka bangan le hapo kasnong. Kenang bangan do ban panba bipi kumurang ba snong. Tang nakadaw bangapan ya kini ka RTI. Namar ki RTI bangapan shwa bangalabu ya ki kot kisla ka RTI uneus ki tri ha committee nga krani kita uneus ki tri VC uwan ha ka mit jonga ka mit banja uwan bantong pisanya kawasan pheu haja ngantre nga kwa bantip ke bakane ka skim ke badan hasno jongi ka sa pending kumne ngantre simni ite pisa nang tangay thu hapo committee nga ang ay kadorbar nginya kran hakmat upad ba ke bangalap iki RTI ke bakasa pending ya ka skim chispa asngi hapo chnonjongi namar kani ka chispa asngi ki ying ki don prapeu saw prapeu san ying hasnong gas job pat ki don chispa nru peu saw tali ya kani nga kran hapo committee nga ay lat ingi banginya kran shwa hapo kadorbar nang ta urang ba snong ong tongin nang ni Muslim shu la ai dorbar rangkat bat ka dorbar badan kam po snong po thang ngi kran lang bat kani hadu menta nyimyo kata ka dorbar nang ta nya ap siap tengah lek ya kran bat urang bat snong ru ngam lam nya phone ru receive tengah claim ban si nya lek mi chau DC nya lek ong dekat tin on sehem hi ong ban pelong dorbar hadu menta nyimyo dorbar takum no pile nya ya kerana katin nga klem tok kot chu nga lamar banga bun pelat tikot la kumba thok sithi te kumba thok sithi samla la da pio iki jing thok banga thok chapok DC nang tau DC u ai kene kot nga u ong ki kendon ki ba ki bengat ya pi ya thu nga ya thu nga ong ki kendon bala khang persha ya kinong song snong ba kimbit ba kimde ban ye lek ya ban shu mat ka yin jonga bat ban thit jing thit adu kan jonga ka ba ar bala khang ya nga bat ya kibru ban ya kendu lani ban ya siem na mario bangan ya thu ya ki ya kata ka RTI bangan lap ya kata ka sis pa asngi kin sngiu thu nang ta ka ba lai ba ka shnong ko kan ba kli ya ka yin ka sem ba jonga akayap ni ka ip
Hadin ki khubor nge sange shoshi por ta shikin ten kwaidin nge son phai ge shiphi ringkat pat kini ki be pat ki khubor play ba da sakhyat bha yo maunong rim joga maurong higher secondary school play ga DC ga district level school health and wellness ambassador program hari boy but wait de ki khubor Kalong ka jingka khu ka bakraw hi khandru tali gishnong ki bahab ka thain maurong riboy district hakaba ka khakandai tarik mataw banai ki paiba kila sakhi ya ka jing urlong ka jing phos new jonki hakabala la ban pleo maurong rim joga shlem arjing start ya kabla tip kam ka maurong higher secondary school Lawan ban pleo maurong rim joga ne ka school do bada sakhiat bhala mare menteri ka tanat PWD building but transport ko mukongsan Hakaji don lang uba sosna sotun MLA ka Jirang constituency uba VS Nongbet joint director ka district school education and literacy kinoi kai berki khana school jong ka RMSA school maurong
kani kadai ka banong kong ai lani tang ko wai ka ba dei ka higher secondary school bat ngan nong ye pi ba ka dei tang ko wai ru mo ka jingutoi ka ba bun ka ba ka khala pan punyo yang i barok kumban pandai sesin ngaku menong ikmat ai kedu bon kijin kut lat jong ki me kipa bon kijin kut lat jong ki kena school khamtam ki bale ki barang kwa ban ki badan ye kijin trang ban let ye class 11 and 12 hanre kijin kut lat kalong ba bahabai chajnai ki jaga jinjar ka bai kali jinjar ka jing kershan aga jaga sa jaga dem solution nang po solution umsling solution shlong hanre kumbala kren uwe orang ba mene kane kete ke jikur khu ba kerkusan habe dei bat mapi ki kena school iwe pe we ki badan ke jitrang ban yan sakamat seprang habe dei bat ke class 11 and 12
lapan pho pan pheng kerpang ke ne ka sngi da ki jing shat tan rai ba ki jing wai ki khana puli ke ne ka school Katanat Rekam Jaga National Health Mission Hapoka Office District Medical and Health Officer Ringkat Berkatanat District Mission Coordinator District SSA SEMAM Haka Arpo Atring Mentau Banai Kila Play Pai Ba Eka District Level School Health and Wellness Ambassador Program Lingba Ka Program Kabala Pelong Hanongpo Lawan Banishim Benta Haganeka program de Kong RM Korba DC Riboy District Hakabala Sakhi Lang Doba VS Nongbet Joint Director ka District School Education and Literacy Dr. M.C.M. Le DMHO ka District Dr. A.S.M. Le District Nodal Officer Barkiwe Hagajing mat pangi gani ka program ling by Dr. Emily la penbana bala penuan dori gani ka program kabla ang nuot ban phai khama de ka kot ka khia bar ka perkhat pradan jagi khalung khana ling ba ki school ba pher ha gani ka district.
You see what happened is we find that most of our children are undernourished. They're not having proper balanced diet. Maybe they don't know the correct pattern of eating. Most of the time we have noticed in our district over the last 3.5 years, we always talk why are our children having morning breakfast only plain rice with red cake. This is a concern for us. I'm telling you, this is a concern for us because from what I understand from the doctors, they say that red cake immediately kills all the nutrients of whatever food that you eat. So this particular program which we are launching today, it's a very important program for our district so that we are able to guide the students. The students will go back home and teach their parents. You know, it's a full circle. It's a full circle. So we need to teach and learn from each other. And this program, the collaboration of two departments here will really change the life and the performance of our students.
We face a lot of problems in school, especially in achieving the target. We are not moving ahead. Say in math and science, we are lag behind. So I think that this program, you have got a training, especially from the teachers, as a health and wellness ambassador. So this training, you have to motivate children, so that our children, they will not scare anymore in mathematics and science.
Dagiti kubor la poy jaba ko jaka thuk kubor menta katayo. Ngitsai syam ya wat phia katayo par katayo kabanwan. Kublai phi baro bathiaso.